Hey guys, do you play Dice Dreams? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to download a modded version of the Dice Dreams onto your device. No jailbreak or computer needed. That will give you everything completely for free. So let's get right into the video. I'm going to show you guys exactly to get it. So yeah, if you do need a Dice Dreams like modded version installed onto your phone, keep watching and I'm going to show you guys how to get it. So let's get right into the video. It's fully working, guys. Super insane. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's get right into the video. Guys, so as you can see in the Dice Dreams, I'm super rich, so I'm going to show you guys how to download this modded version onto your device. So what you need to do is go to this website called Mods, which has a ton of mods for apps and games. Let me just go ahead and type it in right here. So once you're on this site, guys, just go to search bar and type in Dice Dreams. And as you can see, it says Dice Dreams Mods. So just press on that, wait for it to download. If you got like a decent internet, it shouldn't take that long. But be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, this is super insane, guys, and it fully works. And if you go to search bar and type in Dice Dreams, you guys can see it is super expensive, which is why I don't really encourage you guys to buy stuff. So as you can see, guys, when we go to the in-app purchases, it's super expensive. So yeah, if you want to get everything for free, guys, just go to Mods. You're going to be all good to go. So be sure to go ahead and try stuff for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yes, fully works, guys. It's super insane, guys, and it's really weird, but as you can see, I got it done. So try it out for yourself. See you guys later. But yeah, super cool. So yeah, it is totally working, guys. So be sure to get the word out. See you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel if you are a Dice Dreams legend like myself and you want more money. This is the way to go, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'll see you guys later. But yes, it's super cool, guys. Fully working modded Dice Dreams. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, subscribe to the channel. It's a super cool, fully working version, guys, and you can become a legend in the Dice Dreams community, so be sure to try it out for yourself. I'll see you guys in another video, but yeah, subscribe to the channel. It's fully working, and it's super cool. So yeah, all you got to do, guys, is go to Mods, so be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'll see you guys in another video, but yeah, subscribe to the channel. It's super insane, guys. Fully works, and yeah, it's ready to be used. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Subscribe to the channel, guys. Have fun. This is really cool, and it actually is updated and stuff like that. So I'll see you guys in another video, and peace out.